Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can translate your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video and place it here. And there will be a translate audio section. So go to video translator. So select the target language. So what you want to translate the video into. I'm going to translate it to Japanese because I want to know. But you're also going to select the language that the video is in. There's only 6 options, so English, Chinese, Spanish, Indonesian, Japanese, and Portuguese. Actually, I want to do translate to Spanish. You can also like lip sync if there's like a video of you talking. I don't have it, but I'm just going to select apply. And I'm just going to wait for it to translate the video. It does take a few minutes. Especially, it's going to like figure out your current language. I honestly might need to make the video a little bit shorter than this, but I'll be back with the final result. Alright, so I'm back and I decided to just translate it to Japanese because the Spanish one didn't work. I do not know why, so this is what I sound like in Japanese.
皆さん、このチャンネルへようこそ。このビデオでは皆さんにお見せします。CapCut PC で透明なテキスト効果を作成する方法。まちょう。
I don't know if that's right, but if you're Japanese, let me know in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!